India's Defence Ministry has signed a massive procurement deal with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) worth 62,370 crore rupees to acquire 97 Tejas light combat aircraft Mark 1A for the Indian Air Force IAF. This initiative is said to replace the aging MiG-21 fleet after 61 years of service, marking a new era for the IAF's operational capabilities. The contract with HAL signifies a transformative step in modernizing India's air combat force. With only 2 squadrons of MiG-21s left, both based at Nal Air Base, Rajasthan, these aging jets are being replaced by the advanced Tejas Mk1A, which now forms the backbone of IAF's future fleet. The sanctioned squadron strength for the IAF is 42. However, the imminent retirement of MiG-21s drops the active number to just 29 squadrons, the lowest ever, accentuating the urgency of rapid Tejas induction. Notably, HAL has made significant improvements to the Mk1A variant, achieving nearly 50% indigenous content with 40 major upgrades over the earlier Tejas Mark 1. The Tejas Mk1A jet is powered by General Electric's F404IN20 engine, a reliable and battle-tested power plant that has played a critical role in the aircraft's operational readiness. HAL recently received its second unit of the GE404 engine, with deliveries running 2 years behind schedule, impacting IAF's induction timelines. The engine provides thrust critical for combat operations, supporting maneuverability and advanced avionics, features essential to meet future air combat demands. Tejas Mk1A's cockpit and flight control systems have evolved with newer indigenous computers integrated for digital fly-by-wire operation, providing superior agility and piloting ease. Among 9 hardpoints, the jet can carry a wide range of next-generation missiles and bombs, suitable for both air-to-air and air-to-ground roles. Originally, India's ambitious Kaveri engine program set out to power the Tejas with a fully indigenous jet engine, but reportedly the project hit a series of technological and institutional roadblocks. The Kaveri engine was conceptualized to deliver high-thrust, low-weight and long service life, as reported. Despite setbacks, R&D for the Kaveri engine resulted in spin-offs benefiting India's aerospace ecosystem, fostering derivative engines for UAVs, marine gas turbines, and turbochargers for military vehicles. As per latest developments, the Kaveri derivative engine KDE now powers stealth UCAVs and supports naval propulsion, demonstrating high-value innovation in core technology. Significant lessons from Kaveri are also being channeled into future 5th-generation fighter engine programs, with collaborations with foreign OEMs like GE and Safran underway for next-gen engine development. A key reason for Kaveri's exclusion from frontline fighters like Tejas is India's need for timely operational capability. The IAF cannot afford the 15 to 20 years required to refine and induct a new indigenous fighter engine.